Bonjour, je m'appelle Leah Slutzker. Today I chose to do my exposé topic on the Cirque du Soleil. The Cirque du Soleil is a circus highlighting human-only performances. These performances include jugglers, fire breathers, acrobatics, and more. The show began in the 1980s in Bas St. Paul, near Quebec City in Canada. The show was named after the sun because the creator, Guy Laliberté, believed the sun symbolizes youth, energy, and strength, much like his show. The Cirque du Soleil tends to focus on bands, themes, singers, or different acts for the show. So the picture on the left is a picture of my mom, cousin, brother, sister, and I in Las Vegas at the Mirage Hotel to see the Beatles' Love Cirque du Soleil performance. It was a super fun performance, and I actually found the promo trailer to the show, so it gives you a little bit more of an idea about what Cirque du Soleil is about.
Well, shake it up, baby, now. Shake it up, baby. Twist and shout, twist and shout. I need somebody help, not just anybody. Lady Madonna, children at your feet. Here comes the sun.
The Beatles' Love by Cirque du Soleil. Brighter, bolder, bigger. Now featuring new acts, new music, new imagery, and more.
As you could tell by the show, they are incredible. Traditional American circuses are known for the peanut dust and exotic animals in their show, which is what makes the culture of Cirque du Soleil compared to the culture of a typical American circus so different. Cirque du Soleil is about life, beauty, entertainment, and art. American circuses seem to simply be there for the entertainment. As you can tell, I prefer one circus over the other. Here are a few more pictures of different acts that they have done. Jamais les Cirque du Soleil. Je pense il amusant à regarder. Les Cirque du Soleil n'aiment pas ennuyeux. Les artistes des cirques est talentueux. J'ai allé regarder le Cirque du Soleil. J'ai recommandé la performance.